Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you find AI on Snapchat. So guys, at first just go to your Snapchat app. Now in the Snapchat app, just slide to your left or click the bottom second option, the message icon. After clicking it, the first thing you will see in the chat list is My AI. Just click on it. It is just exactly like ChatGPT. You can talk to it or you can just ask anything you want. So guys, you can just find the AI in the first option of your chat list. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.